Hello hungry folks, today we've got a delicious party recipe for you. There's always a reason to celebrate, and today we're making an XXL version of the hot dog. Reimagined as a salad, we'll need some Vienna sausages or hot dog wieners, or alternatively Bockwurst Danish cucumber salad, which not everyone might know, so I'll show you. In the jar, a small iceberg lettuce, crispy fried onions, shredded cheese onions, and hot dog buns. You can also use hamburger buns, plus ketchup, a bit of vinegar, brown sugar, hot dog sauce, and if you can't find that, it's not everywhere, then use salad mayonnaise and season it a bit with salt and pepper, because otherwise it tastes a bit bland, and for spices pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper or chili powder. Let's start with the prep work. Peel the onions and slice them thinly. Slice the Vienna sausages into about 0.5 cm thick pieces. Wash the lettuce, shake it dry, and chop it up. And cut the buns in half. First, we'll make a ketchup sauce which needs to simmer for a bit. Add the onion slices to a pot with the ketchup, pour in the vinegar, and add the brown sugar. Season with a teaspoon of salt, and also to taste with more or less black pepper and cayenne pepper. Stir everything together, and then let it simmer on the stove at low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. The onions should definitely be soft. Then let it cool down. Now lightly toast the bun halves, and then cut them into roughly 2 cm cubes. So first lengthwise, then crosswise, or however you want to do it. Now we start layering. We put half of the bread cubes as the bottom layer in a bowl, spread them out and press them down lightly. And then we spread half of the chopped iceberg lettuce on top. And now add half of the hot dog sauce, or alternatively the mayonnaise. Now add all the sliced sausages. Spread the prepared onion tomato sauce as evenly as possible on top. You might want to use a spoon to help. The next layer is the Danish cucumber salad. And then we spread the other half of the chopped iceberg lettuce on top. Now we add the second half of the hot dog sauce, or the mayonnaise. The sauce is then covered with the second half of the bread cubes. Spread them out evenly again, press them down a bit. And then we sprinkle the grated cheese evenly on top. And the final layer completing the dish is the crispy fried onions. Here you have it, this delicious hot dog salad. It tastes great right away, but also if it sits for a few hours. The preparation is really simple, as you could see. Just make sure to layer it in the right order. I'll also write it down in the info box just in case. I hope you have fun preparing it and enjoy your meal. All that's left to say is see you next time. Bye bye.